Global Tech Code channel. Today we are going to say about JavaScript, the most important language in IT field. What is JavaScript? Let's see. Before starting our video, if you are a new user to this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click bell icon. Okay, let's see. JavaScript is a scripting language for the browser. It used to handle the behavior of the web pages. Okay, we have a lot of examples like Facebook, Google, YouTube, Yahoo, and Amazon. Let's see the real-time example for this one. Just imagine human being as a real-time example. They're written as a HTML language because HTML used to for structure of the web page to make a structure of the web page. So we can consider skeleton as a HTML, and we need to give colors and skin everything, right? So that is mixed by CSS language. Okay, we need to perform some actions, so that needs a language JavaScript. So if you need to behave some actions in web pages, you have to use JavaScript. Let's see in let's see the example in Facebook page. Now I have opened the Facebook page. Here I'm going to click create new account button. Here some of the information asking. So I'm not enter any information, just I'm clicking sign up button. It's showing a error, right? So if I enter some information like this, that error will disappear. So this validation is handled by JavaScript languages. Now let's see how to run JavaScript. How to run JavaScript using the JavaScript engine. Based on a browser, JavaScript engine will differ. Okay, let's see what are the JavaScript engines are used in different type of browsers. Okay, first we see Chrome browser. In Chrome browser, we are using V8 JavaScript engine version. In Mozilla, we are using Spider Monkey JavaScript engine, and also in Internet Explorer we are using Sakra JavaScript engine. Okay, in this video we have learned about how to run JavaScript, what is JavaScript, and what's the real-time example for JavaScript. Okay, thanks for watching. In this video also available in Tamil. You can refer the link in description. Okay, once again thank you.